My name is Andra, and Bruce is my husband here.
I'm originally from Compton, California. Moved out here to Hawaii about 3 years ago. We currently live in Kaneohe. We've been riding about 3 years now. We grew up next door to each other, and I saw her dad and her family ride motorcycles. And it's been always my passion to ride a motorcycle and just be committed to that HD lifestyle.
My brothers, my dad, even brother-in-laws, all rode Harley-Davidsons, and it's a sense of freedom and just getting out there, exploring, and just doing what you feel like doing and just having a great time.
Well, when you come into that 8th Street tunnel and you're blowing through and you come out at the end of it and you see the Kaneohe Bay, it's like one of the most beautiful things you've ever seen. And you just can't, I don't know what to say. There's just no words really for it. I got the CVO 2019 Mako Shark Fade. It's a blue, deep blue color that kind of blends into a lighter blue, and so it just reminds me of the ocean that we're traveling around out here.
To see every day.
Yes, and so I think it's the favorite thing is the color.
The buying process, I gotta say, was the smoothest thing I've ever experienced. The staff in sales is phenomenal. I mean, they try to accommodate your every need. I wanted to make sure that he got everything that he wanted. He deserves it.
My brand specialist was Jimbo. In sales, you'll know him because he's got the long goatee. And so very, very impressionable, knowledgeable, and just he won't steer you in a direction that you don't need to go. He'll keep you grounded in making decisions on the bike that you want to pick.
And he's the type of guy that, you feel comfortable making a deal with him. He feels like a family member. That's the way he talks to you. He's down to earth. He feels like a best friend or a family member. I've never dealt with a better staff before buying motorcycles or cars. And we'd do it again. I'm sure we will end up doing it again, but you need to come to Cycle City. They will hook you up.
Yeah.